Hello there. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic and one of the biggest concern of students nowadays, and that is logic building. It is as much important for a software developer as oxygen for a human being. So let's see how to learn to build the logics, because many people are commenting me about their weakness in logic building. Yesterday someone commented that he was failed in his interview because he was unable to create an algorithm for printing the matrix in spiral format. Every student is lagging either in software development or in logic building. Although software development can be learned, but logic building is never about learning, it's all about practice and workout. If we compare logic building with bodybuilding, then both the things are same. In bodybuilding, you are working out with your body and making your body more stronger. And if we talk about logic building, then in logic building, you are working out with your brain and making it more sharper. If I give you my own example, when I was learning to build the logics, then I was just creating the programs and running it, compiling it, running it, and just thinking that I know everything. But actually I was not learning anything. One day a teacher asked me some questions that I already done earlier, but at that time I was unable to answer those questions and stuck at that point. And at that time I realized the importance of workout. I know every one of you have created the program of Fibonacci series, but how many of you have worked out the recursive solution or the recursive code of Fibonacci series? Everyone wants to memorize stuff without being mindfully present there. So it will not make your mind sharper to solve the problems. For a small time period, you will be satisfied that you have solved the problem and you are knowing everything, but later on you will forget it. So the most important thing to learn to build the logics is to work out the codes. It increases your brain exercise, which increases your thinking ability to think more and more deeper, and that will increase your chances of solving a problem. If you are working out a problem which is completely based on finding the transpose of a matrix, and if you have worked out that problem, then you will understand the pattern to solve that problem. And that's why if I will give you a relatable question to that, means let's say I will give you a question to rotate the matrix. So this is the relatable question to finding a transpose. So you can be easily able to solve this problem because this problem requires a small modification as transpose. That's why working out a solution or working out a code is more important than practicing and watching other solutions. If we talk about the sorting algorithms, then students are saying that sorting algorithms are very difficult to remember. But if you are remembering those sorting algorithms based on their patterns, then it will be very easier for you to remember it. Like if we talk about linear sort, then in linear sort there is a pattern that every smallest number will be on the top on every iteration. And if we talk about the bubble sort, then there is a pattern that every largest number or the highest number will be on the bottom of every iteration if you want to sort that array or if you want to sort that list in ascending order. So with the help of patterns you can create the logics, and if you want to learn patterns then you will have to work out. So try to work out the code, because the more you work out a code, the more your thinking ability will be improved, and if your thinking ability will be improved, then you can be able to create the logics by yourself. So that's all about today, and if you find it helpful then just like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.